Hello, let us look another question based on circle. Here we are given that O is the center of the circle, so this is the center of the circle, point O, and PQ is the diameter, so PQ is the chord that passes through the center O, so it is the longest chord, so it must be the diameter, and PS, so this chord PS is parallel to chord OR. And with this given information we have to prove that arc SR, so the length of arc SR should equal to the length of arc RQ. So for that, let us start interpreting this question from the given information that PS is parallel to OR. So since these two lines are parallel, we can say that angle SPO is equal to angle ROQ. And I will assume that the value is x degree. Since they are corresponding angle, we can say that these two angles are equal, and I have assumed the value to be x degree. Now we can also see that angle ROQ is the central angle since it is standing on the center of the circle O, and we can say that the central angle is equal to the arc in which it stands. So since angle ROQ, the central angle, is standing on the arc RQ, we can say that it is equal to arc RQ. Also, we have here the circumference angle or the inscribed angle SPR, and it is standing on the arc SQ. So we can say that if any inscribed angle or circumference angle is standing on certain arc, it is equal to half of the length of arc in which it stands. Sorry, I was talking about angle SPQ here. I wrote something else mistakenly. Now, with this information above, we can say that ROQ, the central angle, is equal to angle SPQ, the inscribed angle. So we can also write that the arc RQ is equal to half of arc SQ from the above statement. Again, what we can say is RQ, I'm going to write it as it is, and for SQ, we know that the arc SQ is formed of two arcs SR and RQ. I can write it as the sum of SR and RQ for SQ. Now let me cross multiply it. RQ is equal to half of, on distributing 1/2, I have 1/2 of SR plus 1/2 of RQ. Now if I bring RQ, so I have RQ here, so I'll bring 1/2 of RQ to the other side, or I'm going to subtract 1/2 of RQ on both sides, so I have 1/2 of RQ here, and here I have left with 1/2 of SR. So RQ minus 1/2 of RQ is equal to 1/2 of RQ on simplification, and we have here 1/2 of SR. We can cancel 1/2 on both sides, and finally we have length of arc RQ is equal to length of RSR, which we have to prove. I hope this was clear for you, and thanks for watching.